For our today task, we need different types of boxes. For example, tea boxes or chocolate boxes, sweet boxes, and so on. Also, you can use bottles like I show you. Acrylic colors, glue gun, normal plate, different types of brushes, and clean water. In our normal life, we use different types of boxes. Here is my paper trash, and I want to use it again. I want to make an art object with my paper trash. Also, I can use different type of plastic bottle. After I collect all these objects, I want to connect them together. It should look like the buildings in the city. You can try to make it horizontal and vertical and try to make a beautiful composition, and it should look like a buildings in the city. For example, I want to make a composition like I show you now. After you decide how you display your bottles and your boxes, with the glue gun, you have to connect it all together. Ask your parents to help you with the hot glue gun. Be very careful. With this round plastic lid, I wanna do the clock. So, this box will be a clock tower. I glue it with the glue gun. So, I connect together all these boxes. And now I have to decide which color I want to use for my city. Definitely, I want to use white. I want to use some black and two more colors. For example, in my case, I use gold and yellow. You can use your favorite colors. The next step is to make the color, the base color of the buildings. A lot of buildings in my city will be white. Houses in my city are white. I coloring just these surfaces because the roofs will be the other colors. And here will be the tower with the clocks. This tower will be black. I paint tower black. So, now I make my clock tower black and I make all the buildings white. But we have also other surfaces. All of them have to be white too. Now you see, all the buildings are white, the tower is black, and water tower I gonna make gold. Guys, you have your own boxes and bottles, and you can imagine, you can create your own town, and you can use your own colors for your town. All the roofs I want to make gold. If you want, like me, to do the clock, The background of clock you can do white, without any dots or letters. And after drying, you can add gold numbers. For the next step, I want to do the doors. My doors will be yellow. I make doors in the first building and the doors of the other form in the next building. And again I use yellow with gold. Here I make an arch doors. I'm gonna make it brighter when I add some white to my color. And the last door in the last building. The next step are windows. You can do whenever you want about windows. They can have any form you just ever seen. Make the windows small, like I show you now. Don't forget about door handle. After I finish with the windows and with the doors, I move to the clock hands. At first I want to make the center of clock, then I make the longer hand, then I make the shorter hand, and instead of numbers I make 4 gold dots. On the black tower I want to make a beautiful ornaments, like the golden waves. And now it's time to add your own detail to your city. I think what my buildings, my city, looks like a chocolate fabric of Willy Wonka. Here they make a caramel, here they make a chocolate, and so on and so on. So, finish your work by yourself and send me the photo of your object. You can replace your cardboard city in your play zone, so you can play and use it whenever you want.